Hi. Thank you for watching Lion's virtual demo. In most countries, government requests some mandatory certifications for communication equipment for sake of people's well-being. Suppliers must provide certifications to legally sell devices in the countries. We will cover regulation compliance of 5G O-RAN product in this session. For radio-emitting devices, radio conformity ensures electric-magnetic energy of products cannot affect human body. While product safety certification keeps operation of products from hazard or danger. We explain radio conformity and product safety certifications of 5G O-RAN products using Lion's gNodeB product as an example. The content is based on previous video which introduced deployment and third O-RAN party validation, whose links are attached in this pages. Lions provides pre-integrated O-RAN packages, including O-RAN compliant CU, DU, Fronthaul gateway, and radio units, as a B2B whitebox product for solution, integrator, and carrier customers. The package is verified and well tested that customers can add his label and sell them immediately in market. Secondly, O-RAN conformance of Lion's 5G product has been validated by multiple third parties in various international events listed in the video. In addition, our current design got radio conformity and product safety certification for US, Europe, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan market. Lastly, Lion's CBRS domain proxy system has been approved for FCC Part 96 certification that it can connect to Spectrum Access System for the emerging citizen broadband service, that is N48 band, in US market. The diagram depicts the total architecture of O-RAN and elements of Lion's 5G products with red shadow. On the upper part is management-related functions, on the rightmost part is 5G user equipment, and the leftmost 5G core network. Lion's products do not cover these three functions. Lion's provides the three blocks with red shadow, comprising a 5G base station, EQ gNodeB. The first block, from the right, is integrated OCU and ODU kit which can run on commercially off-the-shelf server hardware. The middle block is Fronthaul gateway which can connect multiple RUs to DU for radio coverage deployment. And the third block, on the right side, is O-RAN radio units including indoor, outdoor, and macro models. With pre-integrated solution, Lions provides two packages for customers with different requirements. The first offering is gNodeB package for customers want a complete 5G RAN product and connect to its 5G core network. While the second offering is ORU package for customers with their CU/DU, some are based on open source or FlexRAN projects, and like to have RU for radio coverage. Besides the two packages, Lion's team have rich experience and capability to support interoperability test with 5G CU/DU, management functions, or user equipment to customers. All key functions and interfaces of Lion's O-RAN products have been validated by independent third-party institutes. Whether it is O-RAN testing in Integration Center, OTIC, in O-RAN Global Plugfest, Community Lab of Telecom Infra Project, or professional institutions of government, all tests are conducted by rigorous procedures and recorded in organized format. Generally, the tests can be separated into four scopes. The first is for OCU and ODU covering open Fronthaul interface and key data transfer functions of CU/DU. The second is for ORU and radio performance covering open Fronthaul interface and radio transmitting/receiving performance of ORU. Above two tests are conducted by O-RAN standards and implemented by O-RAN Alliance approved OTIC. Next two tests are for O-RAN end-to-end and executed by institution like OTIC, TIP Community Lab, Telecom Lab of Changhua Telecom, or Telecom Technology Center of local government. The left part is for end-to-end covering key data transfer functions, performance, stress, interoperability with 5G core network, and mobility of UE. The right part is for information security, including 3GPP SCAS requirements, penetration, and vulnerability scanning. More detailed information can be accessed in page 2 the previous video link. This page describes main topic of this video and lists most certifications won by Lions 5G O-RAN products. Because OCU/ODU is a software kit, no dedicated hardware certification is necessary. Certifications mentioned below are for Fronthaul gateway and radio units. As Fronthaul gateway and radio unit operate with electric power and emits electromagnetic radiation, both products should pass requirements of radio conformity and product safety. Furthermore, radio unit operated in specific radio frequency/band defined by local government, operatable certificated frequency of RU is different for different country. Thus, supporting frequency of RU is identified for radio conformity below. Overall, Lions products have got both radio conformity and product safety certifications of Fronthaul gateway and radio unit from authorized certification body, Sporten, for US, Germany, Taiwan, Japan and Korea market. For Taiwan market, 2-band, one for carrier 5G network and the other for private 5G network, certifications are granted. You can read from the table. In US CBRS application, band is N48, 3.55 GHz to 3.7 GHz, FCC for radio and UL/CSA for safety. In Germany/EU market, band is 3.4 GHz to 3.8 GHz, CE mark for both radio and safety. In Taiwan, 3.3 GHz to 3.6 GHz for carrier 5G and 4.8 to 4.9 for private 5G, NCC for radio and BSMI for safety. Also, in Japan and Korea regulation, Lions product got JRL and KC for radio, then VCCI and KC for safety, respectively. All these certifications help Lions whitebox customers to quick start marketing in corresponding countries. Lions do the commercialization, and customers can start their solution instantly. Besides the radio conformity and product safety requirements in previous page, private 5G deployment in US market should support Citizen Broadband Service, CBRS, Spectrum Access System, SAS, support and related FCC Part 96 certificate. In brief, CBRS-SAS is an innovative radio spectrum sharing system to enable rich 5G communication applications without lengthy government spectrum licensing process. 5G gNodeB utilizing CBRS frequency should communicate with public SAS system, in the upper part of the diagram, and control the power of emitting radio based on commands from SAS server. In Lions 5G O-RAN products, CBRS-SAS communication is conducted by CBRS domain proxy function in Element Management System, E.Q, EMS. While CBSD, CBRS device, agent function at radio unit report status of emitting radio and listen to commands, forwarded by CBRS domain proxy, from main SAS server. The whole system comprises mechanism of CBRS spectrum sharing. To ensure CBRS communication equipment can work smoothly with SAS system, CBRS domain proxy and SBSD function must conform assigned format and procedures, coded FCC Part 96. The full name of FCC Part 96 is Radio Broadband Citizen Services. It is mandatory to have FCC Part 96 to sell CBRS 5G O-RAN products in US market. To sum up, in the emerging 5G private market, with all above certifications, Lions customers can start engaging business in the said US, Germany, Taiwan, Japan, and Korea markets. The certifications also justify the complete productization of Lions 5G O-RAN products. This is the end of video. Thank you for watching.